say hi, Javier. Now lift up your shirt. Oh, wait. It's going to all sound.
Mommy and Papi.
Ready? Portia,
Okay.
ready? Definitely with it, man. Don't talk about masturbation.
Don't hide the sausage. Why did you say that? Okay, so I can't get this shit out. Wasn't that nasty? Why did you let me drink it? I can't put it in the juice bag. You let me drink it. I didn't know what was in it. I told him to taste it first. You know what I'm saying? I didn't say anything. You didn't say anything. Can I get a whore with my cha-cha? Thank you.
What is cha-cha in Mexican?
I didn't take the shit already.
Oh no, it's videotaping.
Oh. I'm taking pictures of you like posing forever. I'm like, I'll like remake a new face.
Don't
like,
you turn the light on?
I'll remake a new face.
Your light doesn't work.
Are we gonna tip them?
Your light doesn't work.
No.
Oh, there we go.
Are we gonna tip them? I don't look as pretty.
Yeah.
No. How much? Oh. Why don't you take a picture?
That much. Pretty much.
That's her, this is Brandy.
That's you hanging out of the
That's
thing.
her signature mark.
Can you try
Here's your whore.
Crazy bitches are all drunk.
Wait, say that she.
Come out of it? No.
I told her to
Say.
get rid of
She
it.
did.
I don't have a straw. I don't even have a straw.
I threw $1 bill at you. I gave you that.
Wait, didn't you say that? She.
Oh my God.
Wait, didn't you say she does and she waxes?
On anybody's
She said she does and she waxes.
I don't know what the fuck. What'd you say?
I never said that.
Yeah, you did.
I don't know. I don't wax and shit.
Ew.
I near my upper lip, and sometimes I shave my hoo-ha.
And that's on video right
That's
now.
all she wrote.
And in video now.
Her Pikachu. Her Pikachu.